Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to create a faded watermark on Canva. So if you're using Canva and if you need to create a faded watermark, just follow this video and by the end of the video, you'll know how to do it. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to create a design, or we can find some templates and use these templates. For example, uh, let's just find a good photo. Okay, let's try this one and let's use it in our design. Uh, Facebook post. Okay, Facebook post seems good. Now we are editing this video. And now, for example, if we want to add a watermark here, now this is, for example, this is the picture that I've taken and I need to, put my watermark. So what I need to do, you can select the headings from here, the heading that you like. I like this one. So I'm going to put my name here so that, it kind of gives me a watermark look, because watermark on photograph usually consist of names. Let's change the heading and make it more interesting. Okay, this one seems good. Yeah, seems fair enough. I can resize it a bit. Let's just resize it and let's paste it right here. So for example, this is my watermark and I've placed it right at the bottom of the picture. Can we change the color? Yeah, let's change it to white. Now, watermarks are usually faded. You might have seen watermarks on pictures, photographs of people or photographers, and sometimes on reports as well. So you might have noticed they're mostly faded. So how to give that faded watermark touch? What do you need to do? Just click on here, click on your text, and click on this checkered square. And here we can reduce the transparency. Now this seems good. Yeah, this is perfectly fine. So here you go. Now you have a faded watermark on your photo, and this is how you create a faded watermark on Canva. So I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.